In 1945, there was a researcher who noticed that the chocolate in his pocket had melted. And from that, he began to investigate the properties of microwaves. So the first microwave made by Raytheon was this 6-foot-tall microwave oven. It took 20 years of innovations to get us to the commercial breakthrough called the Amana radar range. That was small enough to sit on a kitchen shelf and easy enough to use, and it was cheap enough. Microwaves we use today use most of the same elements that were present in 1967 design.